Imagine being in your late 20s, having been in the workforce for 3 years, and still only being able to make 30,000 rupees a month. This is the story of a systems engineer of a top IT company, also the story of thousands of other IT professionals in the country right now. The employees of these companies that we spoke to say that in the last 2-3 years, the annual salary hikes have not even caught up with the rate of inflation. Even as their expenses mount, be it with the house rent, car maintenance, and everything else they have to spend money on, their salaries haven't caught up. This is not just the story of junior employees, but also of the senior employees who have spent over a decade in this industry. The employees that we spoke to complain that the growth has stagnated even after performing well. The annual pay hikes for the IT industry since financial year 2022 has been on the declining trend. In the times of the pandemic, when the companies used to pay 10 to 14.6% on an average for the day pay hikes, now has reduced to 4 to 8.5%. TCS reportedly will be rolling out pay hikes in 4 to 8% for the year. Infosys too will be providing in a similar band of 6 to 8%. This is reduced from the earlier pay hikes that used to be given to the employees. The IT industry, one of the largest white-collar job provider in the country and traditionally the most sought-after job role, has not been able to provide competitive salary hikes to the employees as the sector goes through a slowdown and the business growth has declined. This leaves thousands of IT employees in the country on a limbo, wondering about their future growth prospects.